How to make money on Snapchat? Ways to make money on Snapchat. No, let's talk. Look at how to make with Snapchat. First, number one, create viral videos. This Snapchat user mentioned earlier in this video have all been making money with the Spotlight thanks to success of their viral videos. The more of video snaps, as they are called, are viewed, the better chance you may hope to have earned portion. Snap view Spotlight features work similarly to TikTok, where a viral videos has a reach potential of the future user rather than only those who follow or are looking at a particular location of Snapchat map. This means both massive influencer and a brand new creator have the opportunity of viral movement and to make money from a single video. As Snap you submit to Spotlight must be meet a few basic guidelines. A vertical video with this sound up to 60-second long must have a topic which is basically a hashtag. You can see some suggested topics must have a topic approach appropriate with the 13 plus audience. Cannot be a sponsor of or promotional snap gaming tobacco weapon. Although Spotlight has some similarities to TikTok, there are also some worthily difference. For instance, Spotlight snaps do not include public comments section of our interaction, and user profiles are private by default. User can adjust the setting to make their profit public. The means the user can submit a video Spotlight um, while still maintaining a private Snapchat shoot account. Remember that the purpose of Spotlight is to showcase the best content the Snapchat users will love. So if you want to create a snap that goes viral and earn money, you will need to submit something up unique or entertaining. Who does Snapchat pick Spotlight users? Snapchat offer a offer a specific section in the app of our Spotlight. This is where the snaps you submit to Spotlight may be seen by others. Users can view Spotlight post at any time, and Snap will show the snap they think users are mostly likely to appropriate based on their other content that users like and topics by follow Spotlight users and algorithm that determines which the videos are shown using factors like how many times the video has been speaked, watched, there shared or liked. As video gains more momentum, it will get more views and earn money, more money for its creator. What work well on Snapchat? No, that you know more about Spotlight and how to it work. And the next step is to create popular videos. This Snapchat younger audience will love a decoding. Snapchat expert will steward over of the social media's marketing platform. Mish Guru successful Spotlight Snap are likely to fall into one of the four categories below. Inspiring steward specifically highlighted dancing and skateboarding videos as being excellent options in the categories for short snaps that showcase the people doing amazing or inspiring. They are likely to be well received. Educational snaps can also be effective, but keep in mind that you have to more than 60 seconds. That means highlighting tips and actionable advice for are best. You are not only competing with other influencers and media creators, because that you are also competing for your audience attention. If you are not producing entertaining high energy content, people are quickly going to scroll, click a brand to create Snapchat ads for business, like the most of the social platform. The best of the Snapchat business model includes advertising, etc.